Hi there. My name is Georg Ulrich and I'm the responsible application technology manager for SRACE, the dye sublimation transfer paper brand by the Felix Schoeller Group, Germany. In this unusual situation, which affects all of us, the SRACE team would like to use this time to offer you the best possible service and to be as close as possible to our customers and partners during these days. As we are currently unable to support our customers and partners on-site, we would like to use the digital way. We want to help you to optimize the processes and to answer your questions. We are currently improving our website with tutorial videos of helpful hints and tricks, how to use our paper, frequently asked questions, and everything you ever wanted to know about SRACE and the secret behind it. So please do not hesitate to send us your questions. Just use the contact form on our website s-race.com and write us a message to do so. We will send you an answer as soon as possible and maybe even publish it as a tutorial video. We are looking forward to your inquiry. Thank you very much for your attention, stay healthy and goodbye.